So guys, for the first method, you want to unplug your second monitor and plug it back in. For the second method, you want to make sure that your monitor is actually turned on. Check if the light is on. For the third method, you want to go to the manufacturer's website and download the drivers for your monitor if there are any available. Now for the fourth method, you want to head over to search and type in display settings. Click on it. Now once you're on this, you want to scroll down and then click on multiple displays. You want to make sure that both of these has been checked, and then you want to click on detect. See if this works for you. And now for the fifth method, you want to head over to search and then type in device manager. Click on it. Now once you're on this, you want to expand display adapters, and then you want to find your graphics card. You want to right click on it, and then click on update driver, and then click on search automatically for drivers. Make sure that the best drivers for your device have been installed. I'm also going to leave 3 links down below for NVIDIA, AMD and Intel. You want to download the software that comes with your graphics card. So for me, I have an NVIDIA graphics card and I got GeForce Experience. So now once you're in your software, you want to click on the drivers tab, and then click on check for updates. Make sure they have the latest drivers installed for your graphics card. Now you want to restart your computer, and then that's fix the problem.